If you're thinking about listing your Long Island home with a realtor, there is one number most sellers focus on: the commission. And while commission is a real cost, it is only part of what comes out of your proceeds by the time you reach the closing table. This video breaks down every cost so you can make a fully informed decision before you sign a listing agreement. Let's start with commission. Since the NAR settlement took effect on August 17, 2024, commission rates are fully negotiable. They are no longer standardized at 5 to 6%, but let's use 5.5% as a working benchmark. On a $500,000 Long Island home, that is $27,500 split between your listing agent and the buyer's agent. That is the number most sellers mentally prepare for. What they don't prepare for is everything else. Cost number 2, pre-listing repairs and staging. Buyers in today's market expect move-in ready condition. If your home needs work, you either make the repairs before listing or you accept a lower offer. The average pre-listing repair cost on Long Island runs between $10,000 and $30,000 depending on the property's condition. Add professional staging at $1,500 to $5,000, and you've already committed another $15,000 to $35,000 before a single showing. Cost number 3, carrying costs. This is the one sellers almost never factor in up front. While your home sits on the market, you're still paying the mortgage, property taxes, utilities, and homeowners insurance. On Long Island, that typically runs $3,000 to $4,000 per month. A 90-day sale, which is average, adds another $9,000 to $12,000 to your cost column. Cost number 4, buyer concessions after inspection. Almost every buyer requests some form of repair credit or price reduction after their home inspection. On Long Island, that average runs $3,000 to $8,000. You can push back, but most sellers give something to keep the deal alive. Cost number 5, closing costs. In New York, sellers pay a transfer tax of 0.4% of the sale price, plus attorney fees of $1,500 to $2,500, title-related fees, and prorated property taxes. Budget another $4,000 to $6,000 here. So let's put it all together on that $500,000 home. Commission, $27,500. Repairs and staging, $20,000. Carrying costs for 90 days, $10,000. Buyer concessions, $5,000. Closing costs, $5,000. Total costs, $67,500. Net proceeds, approximately $432,500. That doesn't mean listing with a realtor is the wrong choice. If your home is in excellent condition, you're not in a rush, and you're in a competitive neighborhood, a traditional sale can absolutely net you more. Emotionally invested buyers buying with mortgages often pay top dollar for the right property. That premium can outweigh the costs. But if you want to know your floor before you decide, get a cash offer first. It takes 24 hours and there's zero obligation. You'll have a concrete number to compare against the realtor route, and you can make the decision with both options in front of you. Call us at 51654-86558 or visit thepropertyfather.com. We'll give you a real number on your Long Island home within 24 hours.